Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming where FL Studio writes files and that you have permission to write there. Check file properties for read-only flags and remove them. Once done, verify the target drive has adequate free space. Keep at least 5% free to avoid fragmentation issues. Then launch FL Studio as administrator or change folder ACLs so your user has full control. This prevents silent save failures caused by OS restrictions or protected folders and gets you ready for the next steps. Now inspect FL Studio itself. Open Options, then File Settings, and confirm backup and autosave paths point to a valid writable folder. Change them if needed. Autosave prevents data loss. Next, temporarily disable any recently installed third-party plugins because broken VSDs often disrupt project serialization. Also, look for oversized audio clips or extreme project length, trim unused channels, and consolidate audio. Doing these things reduces file complexity and prevents corrupt elements from blocking the save operation. Finally, attempt a save as to a new file name in a different folder. This often bypasses file-specific corruption. If saving still fails, immediately export stems or use Project Bones to recover tracks and settings. This preserves work while you diagnose the app. If problems persist, reset FL Studio settings or perform a clean reinstall to replace corrupted binaries. And if nothing works, remember this troubleshooting tip. Check Windows Event Viewer or FL Studio logs for write errors. They reveal permission or disk I/O faults you can fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.